A little leeway, sowing seeds of inspiration, one idea at a time. We are experimental by nature. Now you may say, but I'm not really that experimental. I don't like surprises. I don't want change. I like things to be routine. I like a schedule. I like there to be a certain amount of normalcy and stability. Yes, I understand. And yet, even within that, we are experimental by nature because we are always trying to figure it out, whatever it is. The best process at work, the best relationship, the best couch, the best painting for my wall, the best pet to have. We're trying to figure out what makes us happy. We're trying to figure out what jobs we want, what we could do better, how we could feel better, how we could, look better, how we could plant a nicer garden. We are experimental by nature. Even your routine that you love is an experiment that you are engaged in. So maybe if you just allow yourself the perspective that you are experimental in your very nature of being a human being in this reality, then maybe you can realize just how creative your life is. Every choice, everything you try, everything you believe, everything you say, everything you try to do is you experimenting and creating the life that you want. So when you don't get it quite right, just say, okay, that experiment didn't work. I wonder what will. And keep on going.